Water Heater Services. We keep you in hot water. Water Heater Services has been providing quality water heater services to the Northern Virginia area for over 26 years. Water Heater Services provides quality installation and repair of residential hot water heaters. We service all major residential brands of hot water heaters and are known for quality and affordable pricing. We are a professional and experienced contractor. Water Heater Services is fully licensed and insured. We are licensed and gas certified with the state of Virginia, are on Angie's List, and are authorized sales and service warranty specialists with major manufacturers for water heaters including Bradford White Water Heaters, A.O. Smith, State Water Heaters, and Rheem. We take pride in our high quality and affordable service. We give prompt and reliable service. All of our technicians are company employees. We never use subcontractors. The owner personally supervises every job, and your satisfaction is always guaranteed. Water Heater Services can help you lower your utility bills with the installation of a tankless hot water heater. Our tankless water heaters can save you 30 to 60% on your water heating costs, give you an endless supply of hot water, save space, and your unit will have a longer lifespan. Gas units have a lifespan of 15 to 20 years, and electric units have a 30 to 40 year lifespan. Water Heater Services in Northern Virginia is your #1 choice for fast and reliable service. Please call 703-497-4118